wind-proof roller shutter welded zipper. We need to pull the zipper in from the fixture. PVC zipper is generally used for welded zipper of wind-proof roller shutter. Then use our domestic first fabric positioning board function to position the fabric. The positioning plate can adjust the distance digitally. Just enter the position you want on the screen. After aligning the fabric, press the fabric with a cloth pressing plate to avoid displacement of the fabric. Then press the welding button on the screen, and the machine will automatically weld. It can weld sunshine fabrics, PVC fabrics, etc. The machine can be customized, and the longest welding length can be 6 meters. You can also customize 3-phase electricity and other different voltages. The welding width standard is 8 mm and 12 mm. Perfect welding. Please contact Dongguan William Digital Control Equipment Co., Ltd. Thanks for watching.